Hey everybody, this is Fun Chill Gadgets and today let's gonna try something different. You're listening for the first time to my voice. I'm not a native English speaker, so have patience with me please. But I wanna try something different in this video by maybe introducing myself, or maybe I will not introduce myself, but you will listen to my voice and watch the video with me so we can watch the video together. That was a motorcycle, by the way. I live in a building in a part of town that it's very, I don't know how you call it, that has many cars and people. So, okay. Well, what are we seeing now? This is like a bucket where you put your feet on. Would you use this gadget? I don't know. Maybe it's comfortable, maybe not. Would you put your cell phone in it? I don't know what I was planning about it, but I was thinking, well, maybe I can chat with my subscribers and especially ask them to watch my videos, watch my longer videos like this one. I know that I have an accent, so I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry because I do have an accent and I know another language, so can you blame me? I don't know how to get rid of my accent. Well, let's go back to what I was saying. I was thinking that maybe I can ask you to watch my videos. I would so much like to monetize this channel. I've been spending a lot of time in this project, and I would like to be that all the time. I don't know. Be worthy of my time with with the monetization of the channel. I'm a little bit nervous, so please have patience with me again. So okay, first watch this video. Second, let me know in the comments if you like this combination of music and the pictures and the video and me talking about anything and everything all at once. And well, help me monetize the channel. I'm the main person in charge of Fun Chill Gadgets, so this is like my presentation, but I'm not gonna give you my name yet. I'm gonna keep it like a secret between us. No, between us, no, because I'm not telling you, but like a mystery thing. Do you like that? Do you like mysteries? So this is a trial. If it doesn't work, I will not do it again, but I don't know. I think you all are from very... Oh, that's Luna from Sailor Moon. I already seen this video, but I forget because I watch a lot of videos to make this, and I watch a lot of gadgets to make these videos. That's like very nice. This is in no other video before. I was thinking that you guys are from everyone from I don't know how to say this. You are from all around the world, so I think you all have an accent. Maybe, I don't know. Well, I hope you like my accent or not, but you don't find annoying. This is, what is this? Is a rock? You have like what? Okay, this is useful. I'm so tired sometimes when I get when I have baggage. So this is like convenience. If you have a child, maybe, if comfortable. Well, these are Doraemons and Pikachu cell phone cases. Those are nice. Do you like the gadgets that are in this video? I know that sometimes you have like the same gadgets because there are not so much gadgets. There are not. You have a ton of gadgets, and well, sometimes the gadgets repeat, but well, it's not sometimes. I hope this audio is getting recorded all right. This girl is making, okay, well, another gadget. This little thing to clean the shower head. That may be useful if you have a shower head that is dirty. I don't know. You can use it on your cell phone. Those are stairs or steps for your bathroom. I think maybe if you have a kid it's useful, and if you don't have a kid, not. Or you can use it for get to the top of the pantry. I am not so tall. I am not short. I don't consider myself a short person, but my height is, I don't know my height in terms of the USA standard. I am 1 meter and 60 centimeters. So I think it's the perfect height for a woman. I don't know. What do you think? How tall are you? Do you want to tell me in the comments? I think for a woman, 1 meter and 60 centimeters, it's pretty okay. It's like a medium height in my country, which I'm not telling yet which country I am from. It's like the standard from a woman, but maybe a little short. This thing from the air conditioner, what is this? I don't have those here. Maybe in another country, but I don't see them anywhere here. So what is she doing now? Cutting bell peppers. Bell peppers with a little bit of onion and garlic. It should be very good, but she's not cooking that. Well, tell me a little bit about yourself. We are half past the video. Is that an expression? What are those scissors? Why are you cutting those toes of paper toes? Okay, we passed the middle of the video, so we're watching this together, talking about everything, talking about nothing. I'm a little bit nervous. What are you doing? You're laughing, you're angry, you are thinking, why am I watching this, listening to this girl, woman, whatever, talking this strange English thing that it's obvious she doesn't conquer. But well, I'm doing my best here, trying to speak in another language. I don't practice English with anybody here because in my country we talk another language and I don't speak English with anybody. But maybe if you don't speak English with anybody either, you can listen to me trying to speak English, and maybe you like that because my English is not perfect. I think I speak the English of the people who doesn't speak English, full of flaws and with so much accent. Do you discover where my accent is already? Okay, well, maybe you do, maybe you do not, but maybe you like this video because I can make you company. What are you doing right now? You are watching this video. Are you listening to it? Just listening to it? Are you cooking? You are showering? I don't think you can study with this, especially because I didn't stop talking for about 8 minutes now, and we are getting to the end of the video, and I didn't stop talking once. So I have like take some air. Do you say take some air? I'm mixing up the languages now. Okay, have some air. I think you say have some air. Well, maybe if you like this, you can tell me or let me know in the comments, and we can do this more often. I mean, you have like so many gadgets channels, I know, but I think this is different because I try to answer when you ask something. Not always, because there are like a ton of comments sometimes, but I sometimes use the translator, the Google Translator, to answer to you all, whatever the language you are speaking. I give you like the little hearts with the logo of the Functional Gadgets channel, and I try to make fun polls in the community. I try to make new videos for you. I am posting every day 15 short videos and one long video every day for almost a year. I would love to get to July, that it's the birthday of Fun Chill Gadgets with the plague, the plague, is it called the plague? The 100,000 subscribers plague, and to be monetized. So I would love that you help me do it. We are a community. We are the Fun Chill Gadgets community. How many communities, how many managers of channels, of YouTube channels that are gadgets only speak to you? Well, you have now one. So let me know in the comments if you like this variation of the video with me talking about something or nothing. And well, I see you in my next video. Goodbye. See you soon.